Dear travelers, our trip of today will take us to Sardinia. To go to Sardinia by car, the only possible means of transport is the ferry. For those who, like us, leave from Italy, there are 6 possible departure ports: Genoa, Livorno, Piombino, Civitavecchia, Naples, and Palermo. Our destination for this trip is Olbia, which is located in the central-eastern area of the island. There are no docking ports for ferries in Olbia. The 2 closest ports are Olbia and Cagliari. We opted for the Livorno-Olbia route. The 2 shipping companies operating on this route were Moby Lines and Grimaldi Lines. Finally, we choose Moby Lines. The return trip for 2 people plus car cost us €238. We park the car and go to the upper deck for a souvenir photo of Livorno from above. At 9:10, we move.
Vi darà una cintura di salvataggio. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please listen very carefully to the following safety announcement. In the event
At 6 in the afternoon, we will disembark in Sardinia.